Alpus Group, done for you deal sourcing service, presented by me, Alan Edwards, the founder of Alpus Group. The investor trap. Properties are buildings. Opportunities are buildings with hidden value. Uncovering them demands experience, proven systems, rigorous research, and exclusive data access. So you need access to the whole of the market, and you need it efficiently in order to unearth these jewels within the marketplace hidden in plain sight. Why most people struggle. Jobs, businesses, family leave little time to invest in sourcing property deals. This is looking through hundreds of listings in your chosen area for research and trying to find the properties that are real bargains. There are lots of properties out there presented as bargains, but they're not all real bargains. So finding a real deal takes hours of research, weeks, sometimes even months of research. Agents won't engage unless you provide proved deal readiness, i.e. proof of funds, and they see you as a serious buyer. Time constraints mean that most investors miss the best opportunities. What makes a great deal? Buying a property is not the same as investing strategically. What we're looking for here is extension and conversion potential so that we can buy something that has potential for planning gain, committed development, or full planning approval development, rental income uplift opportunities, or repurposing and change of use value. So these are the sort of things that we're looking for when we research on behalf of clients. Alpus transforms property value. Our approach goes beyond finding buildings. We focus on improving, optimizing, and unlocking hidden value. Every opportunity we source is evaluated through the lens of strategic investment, not simply acquisition. Property filter technology. We use Property Filter. This is our go-to tool for sourcing of deals. We do use other software as well, such as Property Data or Patma, and one or two others which may be useful depending on the particular commission we've got. There are a lot of tools out there, and we will use the appropriate ones, but what we find is that Property Filter presents the most efficient way of finding deals that are on the market. We use also off-market sources of finding deals as well, personal contacts, network. We're networked throughout the UK through Property Investors Network, Property Entrepreneurs Network. We've got contacts within other communities as well, which are effective because we can cover the whole of the UK. Sourcing across the UK, there are no geographic restrictions. We source high-value deals nationwide wherever the opportunity exists. So all of these cities we've sourced in or are sourcing in, and each one of them is quite accessible to us in terms of our UK-wide coverage. We also source for overseas investors as well, and we can provide you great, valuable local knowledge and act as your eyes and ears for viewings and finding you the best deals. What you receive a personal strategy discussion to understand your goals. This is free of cost. We assess your budget, target locations and risk appetite. Your experience and investment objectives are mapped out, and sourcing begins immediately as soon as you've signed up for the fee, and it's aligned particularly to your bespoke requirements. Detailed deal analysis. We do in-depth value add potential and uplift strategy, development considerations and planning insight, investment rationale and risk assessment, and clear reasons to investigate each opportunity. Deal types and strategies. These are tailored to your particular requirements. These could be buy-to-let and serviced accommodation, or they could be houses of multiple occupation, multi-let properties, commercial conversions, repurposing of buildings, development, and also supported housing. Who is this service for? Busy professionals who have capital but limited time may find our service useful. Business owners and entrepreneurs seeking passive growth. Scaling investors looking to accelerate their portfolio building. First-time and overseas investors needing expert guidance with local knowledge. What is the cost of delay? Every month that you wait is a month of lost rental income, lost profits, missed capital growth, and opportunities taken by someone else. The real question is whether you can afford expert deal sourcing. It's not whether you can afford it, it's whether you can afford not to have it. If you've got the time to spend yourself, then you may think you're fine, but we can actually accelerate your journey to profitable deals. So why Alpus Group? I've personally been involved in property investment and development for many years, and I've got a team of people around me who are also experts in different aspects of rental accommodation, such as serviced accommodation, holiday lets. Phil Hitchin, who specializes in care and the specialized supported housing sector. Tom Cross, who's an expert deal sourcer on high-end HMOs, and Lawrence, who is also Tom's partner and specializes in high-end HMOs. 4,997 is the fixed fee for coverage up to £300,000 purchase price anywhere in the UK. It includes full research, deal sourcing and detailed analysis, all completed on your behalf by Alpus Group. Book a strategy call today at calendly.com/LNJE, alpusgroup.com. Our YouTube channels are at Alan Edwards Official, at Alpus Group, and at Alpus Property Development. Thank you, and don't hesitate to like this video, comment in the boxes below the video, give us any feedback you have, and don't forget to subscribe to our channels. Thank you for listening.